Welcome back to another video. Here is the first opening is from V Technology, hiring for Salem location. Tomorrow is the last date for the walk-in, which we have already discussed in previous video also. Just they will take interview for only 300 people. 10th 12th mark sheet with resume. 10th 10 a.m. is a sharp timing. You have to visit the office, which is the reporting time. And here they mention only 250 individuals per day. This is one opening from V Technology. Another opening from Cotiviti Healthcare for clinical content analyst for Coimbatore location. Walk-in is on 26th of March. Avinash HR. These all are the eligibility criteria: BHMS, BAMS, BUMS, MBBS, BPT, BDS. I think we have already discussed about this opening also. Just a reminder. And these all are the details. Only these group candidates are eligible. Coimbatore location also they have given. If you have any more doubts other than this, you can contact Avinash. 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. only Wednesday. So this is one opening from Cotiviti. Here is another opening from Global Healthcare Billing Partners. Excellent opportunity for medical coding for Chennai location. Walk-in is on 24th of March, Monday. They are looking for medical coder, freshers, Chennai location, day shift, preferred immediate joiners, only face-to-face interview. These all are the skills that required. Good knowledge in anatomy, physiology, medical terminology. Fresher life science graduates only, and certification is additional benefit if you have, not a mandatory. So direct walk-in interview call letter is mandatory. So please reach out before coming interview. So share your CV to this WhatsApp number. They will share you the call letter. Then only they will allow you to give the interview. Interview timings 11:30 to 2:30 p.m. This is one opening from our Global Healthcare. Another opening from NTT Data Healthcare, hiring for Coimbatore location. These all are the roles and responsibilities. Once pause the video and read all these roles and responsibilities. Requirements for this profile. Only life science graduates are eligible, should have good communication skills. Interested candidates, you can share your CV to Dharani Priya, HR. They have not mentioned whether it is for certified or non-certified. So both of the candidates can give the resume to them. So this is one opening from NTT Data. Another opening from Optum Healthcare, which we have already discussed in previous videos. So once check those video, because here they have not given any contact details, just they given the requirement. I have already shared the email ID in previous video. Once check that video. So this is one opening. Another opening from Pacific Healthcare, hiring for trainee medical coder position for Thiruvananthapuram location, which we have already discussed in previous videos. These all are the key responsibilities, requirements. Only nursing background candidates are eligible. RN, LPN or related nursing candidates eligible. CPC, CCS candidates are eligible. This is the address to apply. Share your CV to Pratik HR or to the contact number also you can share. We have already discussed about this opening in previous videos also. Fedora hiring for not for medical coding. Total 3 positions they are hiring for: AR caller, authorization executive, patient virtual assistant. Shift timings at 1:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. Total 4 shift timings they have given, and these all are the 3 positions. Ahmedabad location. Walk-in is on 27, 28, and 29th of March. 3 locations we have. Skills required. These all are the skills required. So they have not given anything. I think directly you can go for the walk-in. Graduation or equivalent diploma. These things only they have mentioned. No registration, no long waits. Just walk in with your resume. So this is one opening. Another opening from Medcode Services. They are hiring for 300 certified candidates for Coimbatore location. Interested candidates, you can share your CV to recruitment.com. Certification mandatory from AAPC or AHIMA. Flexible working time, it's only spot offer will be provided. So this is the location they have given. If you have any more doubts, you can contact to any of these numbers. Total 4 numbers they have given. Another opening for medical coding freshers. Here they have not given the location. I am also not sure about the location. Once you share your CV with them, position is for medical coding trainee. Freshers can apply. Any life science graduates with CPC or advanced medical coding certification can also apply. 20 openings total. I think it is for Chennai location. Interested candidates want to share your CV to this email ID and to these two contact details. Based on that, we can think about it. Or else you can contact them and check the location also. Or else if anyone know about this opening, please let me know in the comment section. It will be helpful for so many people. So this is one opening. We have already discussed about this opening. Omega Healthcare hiring for freshers, certified coders only for Hyderabad location. Immediate joiners preferred. Interested candidates, you can share your CV to Raju HR. So this is one opening from Omega Healthcare. And I heard Omega Healthcare also hiring for Chennai location, Bangalore location also. So I'm not sure about this opening. If anyone from Chennai and Coimbatore, please let me know in the comment section whether they are hiring or not. AGS Healthcare hiring for Jaipur location. We have already discussed about this opening. Just a reminder. Interested candidates, share your CV to this email ID. Sorry, this WhatsApp number. Deepak HR. His name is. Or in previous post, I have shared Ashima HR email address also. You can check that and you can share your CV to that email ID as well. So this is the email ID for Optum. So last time I have not given. So this is about today video. If you found this video is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do follow me in Instagram. I have already uploaded few of these openings, not few of these openings, all of these openings I have already uploaded in Instagram. So if any openings I have not shared in this video, please let me know in the comment section. I will pin in the comments. It will be helpful for so many people. Thank you for watching.